Hello my friends, welcome back here to the Pistacchio graphic channel. Remember to subscribe here on the channel to receive our new videos with new projects that you can learn here more on the Fuso 360. This is the video of the assembly of this project. In the previous video I create all the components that we need for this project and I will show you how to assemble all these components. If you want to design this project, you can download in the first link of the description my ebook with all these drawings. Try to do by yourself, and after you can watch this video to create this project. Let's start. In the previous video, I finalized all these components and grounded the support here, the first link, here with the right button, grounded. Now we can start to add some colors to be a little bit easier to identify the parts. We can apply some colors here. Okay. Start with the base. Click here. Hold the control, click on the point, hold the control, and click on the point, the part will be moved. We need to click on this point here, hold the control on this cross, move that face and constrain. Okay. This ring, another joint here and here. Click OK. Now we can start to create some copies to this product. The base, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, move. The mountain, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. For that we need more copies, two copies, a total of 4 parts. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, that all the same part here. The same for the ring. We need 4 of that. Ring, Ctrl C, the same process for all here, and the ring is here. Okay. Now we can finalize that with this mounted. Click on this point, always using the cross. Okay. Here. And here. Okay. Now we can fix that base here on the top. Here. Join all these mounted, using always the cross. Here. In this case we can rotate. Okay. Here of the process, turn that as 180 degrees. The same for the rings, here and here. Okay. And the last ring, let's see. Now for the pulley, we can change that to rigid to revolute, and between two faces, because we can select these two sides of the pulley and select the center point of this cylinder between two faces of the base and click here and select the center point. Now we can rotate this pulley. Okay. The same process for the next pulley, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, create another pulley, joint between two faces, click here, the other side, and in the border to select the center point of the cylinder, change to between two faces here and the border and finalize with OK. Now we have our two pulleys that we can rotate. Now we can start to apply some screws here to the project. Now in the drawing of the assembly, we can start to copy these codes, Ctrl C, return here to the Fusion. Remember, you need to be in the main project. Insert McMaster, Ctrl V. In my case, I can change to step and download the first screw. Okay. Return here to the project, copy this second, insert McMaster, copy and paste the code. This is the wash. Click here. Repeat this process with all the components that we need for the project. Ctrl C here, insert McMaster, paste the code, download the nut here, mark 2 times with the screw, paste the code, download these components. Okay, and the last one, Ctrl C, return to the Fusion, McMaster, paste this code here and here. Now we can start to join these components. Header J, hold the Ctrl, hold the Ctrl here. We can move, we can change to rigid and OK. The same for the wash, here and here. And the nut, here and here. This for the base, here and here. That fits with the base. And that this top here. And we can analyze this component as minus 10 millimeters. All these components are properly fit on this space. Here, hide the analysis. And now we need to copy and paste this screws, nuts, and wash. Here to the other part, I will be here a speed video to conclude these parts. For this component, we can select that, change it to component. Here on the rectangular pattern, select this X, and we can create some patterns here. This distribution is X10, the quantity is 2, and the distance is -40 millimeters. On this other X, we can change 2 and -30 millimeters. Now we have these components. We will do the same. Rectangular pattern, components, select the object, select the axis here and here, 40 millimeters, just 2 copies. In the next, just 2 with -75 millimeters. Now we have our component. Now we can do that copy. Now to finalize this project, we can insert this belt here, select this, hold the control in the middle point, we can fit here, hold the control on the middle point, click, change to revolve. Okay, now we can insert J for joint, the same process, hold the control here on the midpoint, pass the mouse for this pulley on the midpoint, we can insert this belt to the project. Now the project is finished. I hope you liked that. It's a good project to understand how to create components and make assembly on the Fusion 360. I hope you liked, learned something more, and see you in the next. Consider to subscribe here to the channel and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.